What's going on, YouTube? Back again with another assembly video. Patrick here. I miss SpongeBob. Today we're building the kettlebell rack. The kettlebell rack comes in two boxes. So for today's assembly video of the kettlebell rack, you will need the following tools. You will need a knife to open up the boxes, a 17mm wrench, and a 732 or a 5.5mm Allen key. So your kettlebell rack will come in 5 pieces, 3 legs, and 2 trays. When you are assembling the kettlebell rack, ensure that the rubber side is up so you are protecting your kettlebells. The easiest way to line up your feet for the kettlebell rack assembly is to lay down your tray perfectly flat, and then from there you can line up your feet with each respective hole. Cool. And then literally from there you can just pick up your tray, place it on the feet, either on the top rack or the bottom rack, and then it should line up perfectly across all 3. You can see perfectly lined up on this one side. You are just going to take your bolt. It does only come with 1 washer. You can either have it on the top or the bottom, your choice, and then you can just slide it right in. And then just hand tighten each individual hole. Once you get all hand tightened, you can come in with your Allen key and your wrench. And then just use your wrench to lock the nut in place, and you're just gonna twist the Allen key. I hope you guys enjoyed this assembly video of the kettlebell rack. Let us know what you guys want to see next, and make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe.
Hey folks, Kayvon here, founder of Bells of Steel. I hope you loved that video. Be sure to smash that like button and leave a comment below. And if you want any of the awesome home gym equipment you saw in this video, be sure to follow the links in the description and let the gains begin.